Hello and welcome to another video from CBits Tech. As you know, I quite like cassettes and I quite like notebooks as well. So I bought these from Amazon. They're very small. Let me rearrange the camera. Let's have a look at those then. So these are cassette themed notebooks. They are from Amazon, so I'll put an affiliate link in the description box, but last time I looked they didn't have very many of them left. So they are the same size apparently, well supposedly the same size as a cassette, but they're a bit smaller than a cassette box. Let me grab this. Oh, by the way, I'm going to have a mini disc video up for next week. And then I'm hoping to do a repair video for this. But meanwhile, let's have a look at these. So they are about the same size as a cassette, which is quite fun. Do they fit in a cassette box? Yes, they do. Oh no, but obviously there's no holes there. All right. Such an idiot. All right, so let's have a look. Right, that's it. Oh, I thought they were lined. Well, they are lined. Okay, so right, so we've got lined paper. I think they're all the same apart from the colours. So they are really cool, but something's going on with that. Oh, excellent. Right, so it looks like a cassette, and then we've got the tape reels inside, and sort of it's a bit like a J card, isn't it? So I like that. So we've got, you could actually use this as a J card, but that's what I'm thinking of doing actually. So it comes with this little bit of string as well, and what I'm thinking, I'm going to try and tear one of these pages out now, see if it tears out neatly. Oh, it does. So I think I might be able to use this as an index for any cassettes I make, because it fits perfectly inside the cassette box. And if you prefer, I like to see the original. I don't use the J cards. I prefer having the J cards blank. But if one is old, like a vintage one, it's been written on, I can't get a new one, then I could put the playlist that's on the cassette, just slide it in there. So these are perfect. I quite like these. Let me see if they fit in my pocket. Yeah, but they're a little thick, but they're not much thicker than the notebook I normally carry with me. About the same size. There's no way of attaching a pen to it, so I carry a teeny little pen around with me as well. So yeah, I quite like those. So there'll be a link in the description, so long as they're still in stock. But as I say, there wasn't many available. This company actually does make, it's an unfortunate name really, but they do make other cassette themed items, so look them up on Amazon. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to order another set of those before they go out of stock, and unfortunately I'll be doing that before you see this video. But yeah, you can go and have a look at those on Amazon if you want to. So that's it for this video. Up next week is going to be a short mini disc video, and then possibly either a longer cassette video or a fix of this hi-fi here. So I don't often say this, make sure you're subscribed, give us a like because it does help the channel. We're heading towards 4,000 subscribers, which is quite amazing. So thanks very much if you're already subscribed. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.